Hey guys, Ragingskull here, and what I'm going to be picking is looks like it's a vintage master spring bolt locker lock. It says 5-pin tumbler security. It says used on locker doors opening either right or left, and it does say that it's, if I'm reading this right, it says master keyed, and I'm going to guess that this number here is the master key. I found this at the same yard sale that I got that quick set spring-loaded deadbolt lock, and I picked that up when I saw that it was for that particular lock, the deadbolt. It was $3, and I wasn't readily going to be haggling the guy over the price, but when I found this locker lock, he said that he had no key for it, and he would give it to me for free. So you can imagine how excited I was when he was going to be giving it away for free. So like I said, I just didn't bother haggling over the $3 price tag over the other lock that I had found and was going to bring home to put in my collection for picking. So I thought this was rather neat. And like I said, there is no key for this, and it is, like I said, if I'm looking at that packaging correctly, it's master keyed, so I'm assuming that I'm dealing with multiple shear lines in here. So I'm going to be single pin picking it. But there's the lock. Locked up. And I don't know if my hand's going to be in the way when I pick it, but I'll try and keep it out of the way so you can watch. I'm going to be using the Southward short hook. And here we go. Getting a little camera shot on me. Normally I can have this flown right open. I don't know how this thing was stored, but I do notice that the keyway is a little sticky. Alright, start it again. See if I can do it this time. There we go. A little sticky. I think it's got a little bit of buildup in there somewhere, but there it is. Single pin picked. So, there we have it. Vintage master lock, spring bolt locker lock, single pin picked. Thank you for watching. Please keep all of your lock picking legal. And please join us, myself, and a great bunch of other lock pickers on a wonderful forum at www.uklocksport.co.uk.